Good morning, room 2. Here we are again. It is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and it's another beautiful morning, and I'm just so excited to read your writing. Please send me your work. I would love to see what you are writing. Thank you so much to the students who are sending me what you've been writing and some of the math work you've been doing. I'm really learning a lot about what you know. And when you share what you can do, you become the teacher. You teach me. And then I have a good idea of what else we can do. So thank you so much. Today we're going to continue talking about trying. And that means saying, I'm feeling a little frustrated about having to get my work done, but I'm still going to do it. I'm still going to try. Because that's responsibility. That's doing what you're supposed to do. So I know some of us are feeling a little frustrated about not getting to go to playgrounds. I miss those. I miss getting to take my family to a movie. I miss just having a special night, going to a restaurant and getting pizza. There's a lot of things I miss. Yeah. Do you miss a lot of things too? Probably. One great thing to do is to write about those special things. Write. Add details. Remember them, because they're all up here inside your mind. All of those special things you love to do are up here. They're also in your heart. And if you tell people about the stories of those special memories that you have, then it's kind of like you get to live them again. Remember that time let's write about it so you don't forget. So I really want you to try. Your family might say, come on, it's time. Remember that video that Mr. Dowd showed us? It said that we're supposed to do this. Or they might just say, remember what we have scheduled? I know Mr. Dowd didn't say that, but it's still something we do in our family. You have to do it. Your families love you so much. They love you so much, they want you to be ready for first grade. And the way they're going to do that is they're going to ask you to do things. And it's your job to do them. I remember I used to be a kindergartner and a first grader. I remember having to do those things too. Even though it's hard, try. Take those special memories. Take those special feelings. And those things that you miss, write about. All right? It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Keep writing. Super special. All right, let's check this out. We're going to look at rhyming words. Just like I said yesterday, I'm going to give you some more rhyming words. And you'll see a video down there with me reading some words. I'm actually not even going to show you what the words look like. Remember in class when we used to do those activities? I would sit there with the big book. I'm going to be reading from that big book again, and I'm just going to say a bunch of rhyming words, and I want to see if you can make rhymes. Families, sit with your child for that one. You can listen and see if they can make the rhymes. For writing, I want you to add more details. One sentence is okay, but it's not enough. If you say something like, yesterday we played games. Cool, that's good. I'm glad you played games yesterday. Tell me more. What games did you play? How did you feel when you were playing the games? Who won the game? Did you have all the pieces? How many people played? Did it get a little frustrating? Did you solve the problem though? There are so many things you can tell us instead of just saying one sentence. I played with my little brother. And more, please. Details. What's your brother's name? What did you play? Where were you? Did you play dress up? Who were the characters? If you were playing with toys, did you build something? Drawing? What did you draw? What did you draw with? Details. tales. Please do not just write one sentence. Don't even just write 2 sentences. Write as much as you can write, so whoever reads it can have a picture and a movie inside their head of exactly what you really did. It's so cool. You can make movies inside other people's brains by writing. That's what storytelling is. When you read it in a book with pictures, that helps. But when you write it with words, the reader gets to make a movie inside their head. It's called visualization. It's really great. For reading, I do want you to continue on Freckle. And then for math, look down there because there's going to be a video of me just telling you some math stories. I just want you to listen to the subtraction math stories, and it's your job to write the equations and solve them using the tool that works best for you. After I tell you all the stories, then I will show you what the equations look like and what the answers are. We're practicing taking it away. Subtraction. All right? I hope you have a great day today. Families, keep up the great work you're doing. These are extremely challenging times for us tall, grown-up people. However, all things will pass, and this is just another part of life that will pass. And let's continue to work really hard, set up those routines with your children. I am working really hard with my own kids and trying really hard to set up some incentives to get them to do their work. And now, students, if you do what you're supposed to do and you're responsible, that's excellent. And parents, if you need to set up some little extrinsic motivation, something to keep your child excited to finish the work, then I definitely suggest that. We used to have prize box Fridays at our classroom. And you know, maybe you can have a prize box Friday in your home classroom. You know your child way better than I do, but I do know that setting up extrinsic motivation leads to intrinsic motivation. It's true. Good luck. Please keep giving me feedback, and definitely please do send me photos of your child's work. It's very helpful to me, and I just love seeing it. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Tuesday.